The third roster that we're gonna be reviewing is none other than TNC Pro Team's roster para sa Season 18. Medyo marami-rami ng oras kasi nasa labas ako kanina nung pinanood ko yung roster reveal nila, and as per usual, sobrang astig. Pero sinilip ko rin yung comments noon and a lot of people were already talking shit about this roster. God damn! Kesyo wala silang malaking pangalan, kesyo yung ibang mga players dito bago lang siguro sa pandinig ng mga tao or narinig na nila before pero walang masyadong nagawa na maganda. Pero kung meron akong isang word na masasabi para sa team na to, it's that this team right here is a wild card. Halo to ng mga veterano na may gustong patunayan pa sa liga. Tapos kasama ng mga rookies na tutungtong sa MPL for the very first time. When I'm talking about veterans, I'm talking about Ryota na galing Onyx Philippines na hindi masyadong nakakapaglaro. Kahit nung nandun siya sa Onyx Indo, hindi rin siya masyadong nakakapaglaro. Pero ngayon na wala siyang kapalitan, this is his time to showcase that he still has it and he deserves the playing time. And I could say the same thing para kay Jom na medyo matagal-tagal na hindi natin nakita dito sa Pilipinas. He was with Team Ray from Malaysia last year. Tapos noon, naglaro siya sa India over a few months ago. At ngayon na nagbabalik siya dito sa Pilipinas for I believe his second or third chance. To him, this might be the last. At kung idadagdag ko pa yung mga taong nagbabalik, it is Coach Lift, aka Yeye Mia. I believe he used to be a coach for TNC Pro Team nung Season 9. The very first time that they made it to the playoffs and they made it to the podium. At pagdating naman do sa mga baguhan, you have Zen, a roamer mula sa champion MDL team na Aurora Hunters from the MDL Season 7. At isama mo na rin si Vin, na alam mo nung Realme pa dati, nakakast ko na yan. Juicy Legends, kasama yan. The OGs would know. And now both of them are gonna be given an opportunity na wala silang kapalitan. All of these guys, including Zaida, wala silang kapalitan under Coach Etomax and Coach Hito. People are already saying na mukhang magiging top 8 secured na naman tong team na to, but they are so used to hearing that themselves. It's up to them to change the system. It's up to them to change kung ano yung tingin sa kanila ng tao. With mix of vets and rookies that are hungry to win, they might surprise us this Season 18.